Welcome to Viper 7, a 500-player, 48-hour non-stop military simulation located at an abandoned Air Force base in Bulgaria, right in the middle of the Balkans. This is what we know so far. There was a coup d'etat in the country of Ulpia. A local oligarch named Terentius Varro has hired mercenaries from the private military company called HTS. They have installed their own puppet government with all the bells and whistles. I'm part of a detachment from Charlie Company, Special Night Operations Unit. Some like to call us the Night Stalkers. Our objective is simple. Wait for nightfall, go deep into enemy territory, and clear a path for the advance of the main buff force, and spread as much panic and chaos as possible. This is the story of Charlie Company.
What I remember about the fall of Ulpia is how quiet it was. During the waning hours of Viper 7, Charlie Company was discreetly transferred back to the capital. It was a silent trip. We all knew what was about to happen, what we were about to do. Did we have any doubts? Any private thoughts? Perhaps. But no one said a word.
Our first objective is to meet up with elements of Charlie Company, already operating on the ground, and consult on a strategy. Navigating through rough terrain, we push deeper into enemy territory. We made contact with our forward unit at the designated rendezvous point. They have located 2 enemy units setting up ambush points for our main force. With our captains ready with a plan of attack, we set out to clear the first ambush position. We moved fast and managed to get behind them. objective completed, Charlie Company paved the way for the Allied assault. However, the HTS PMC was not about to let us go unscathed. A few hours later, they successfully evaded our patrols and launched an attack on Charlie Base. The situation looked dire as the enemy boxed us in. Moments before the fight turned into a slaughter, Alpha Company rushed out of their base, which was nearby, and hit the enemy unit hard from behind.
Аре бе, сега ти е момента за мултикил. Нали? Дай тук отзада да ми се метне.
Влезене вътре я.
Касане, а тук е!
Касане би да влезене.
Карай по-бавно, Зарев!
Зарев, по-полека.
Касае! Аз ще го гръма някой да го путва в глава.
Давай!
Сидите, ако момчета на връщане, Зарев! Момчета, ако си за бос, не дойш на кара. До началото, първата скър.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.